It crashed over in the collapsed wasteland. I should check it out.
What the heck was that? Are we under attack?
I saw it fall from the sky. It was scary.
Can you at least tell us what it is? This is big news.
I'm telling you, it's aliens.
This must be fully investigated.
Calm down, everyone. We're on top of this. Arlo and Remington are at the crash site right now. We'll let you know what it is as soon as we find out. Oh, there you are. What's the word?
It appears to be a relic of some sort.
Relic?
Really?
Aliens?
But we have a problem. We need, you, Builder, we need your help.
What's wrong?
The relic knocked over a tower and created a giant hole on the ground. Some monsters came out as a result. I measured it to be around 4 by 5 meters. We need it patched right away. Give us something quick. Sam, don't let anyone in until the hole's plugged. Me and Arlo are gonna clear out some monsters in the meantime.
Got it.
Well, that's that.
Oh, I was having a great day, too. This thing just had to ruin it.
What is it anyway? I don't remember seeing anything like this in the books.
Why don't we pop it open and see?
Holy moly!
It's a robot.
How rude. The name's Ack. Ack. Ack? No, it's Ack. Clack. Ack. Oh, what the?
Who are you exactly, Ack Bot? What is this?
I'm the chef of my space station. A piece of which is right here.
Space station?
Jeepers creepers! I'm on the ground! How the heck did I get here? You fell from the sky. You don't say. Ack!
Whoa there. Don't move, okay?
I'm not panicking. I'm not panicking!
We gotta show him to the mayor.
Yeah, we should. I'll grab him. Come along.
You can't arrest me! I know my rights!
Now, please calm down, Mr. Ack. We're just trying to sort out this situation. You unexpectedly dropped in on us after all. Anyhow, I take it that you were on the Altair 1 space station for the duration of the last 300 years. Am I correct?
I'm not saying anything until I see my lawyer.
Fascinating.
Why are we even talking to this thing?
Look, Mr. Ack, the sooner you show us you're not a threat, the better off it is for all of us.
Well, call me a pancake, but I'm a chef. How am I a threat? And to answer your question, I was in maintenance mode for the last 330 years, 2 months, and 17 days. When I woke up, I was here.
So you're not an assassin sent from Duvos?
Look, old monsieur, I know not what a Duvos is. And even if I did, why would I tell you?
You have a point.
What should we do then?
Get rid of it right now. We don't know what it'll do. Remember the dancing robot in Ethia.
I say we let him stay at the research center. We'll take responsibility for him. He's a treasure trove to be explored.
How dare you? You're putting everyone's lives on the line.
He's a living AI. There aren't too many like him here in the Free Cities.
You know, I can hear you. Don't you care to know what I want?
Go on.
I'd say release me, but I know you're not going to do that. So I want a glass of milk.
Okay, that can be arranged.
And I want to know what happened to my crewmates.
Arlo?
We checked the crash station. Your crewmates didn't make it. They died hundreds of years ago. I'm sorry.
Oh.
Mr. Ack, I'm sorry for your loss. For now, I need you to cooperate and stay here until we figure out what options we have for you. Can you do that?
Yeah. Sure. I'm not...
Also, young builder, since you're here, see if you can do something about Mr. Ack's leg and head. Make him as comfortable as you can.
Sure thing.
Life is hard, then you die. Hallelujah, hallelujah.
Mr. Ack, do you want me to fix up your leg and head wounds?
What's the point? Oh, my dear Lara. Hallelujah.
Mr. Ack seems down. Maybe a glass of milk will cheer him up.
Oh, the nectar of life! Jiminy Cricket, that's some good milk!
You seem to be feeling better now.
I am. Thank you.
Now, let me see if I can find something to replace your leg. Let's give this a try. Nope, that's not gonna work. Let's give this a try. Nope, not going to work. Let's give this a try.
Hot diggity!
That means...
Perfect!
Now, about your head. Let's give this a try.
Ack! Ack! Ack!
Oh no! Let's give this a try. Yikes! Let's give this a try.
Well, shoot a monkey to the moon! This is great!
Glad you like it.
Thanks for all the help. Now I stay and await my fate. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Hey! I have a favor to ask. I've heard from one of the people here that they buried my crewmates in this city cemetery. Can you place some flowers on their grave for me? Appreciated.
Oh, great. Thank you. Mr. Axe certainly has an interesting personality, don't you think?
Have you decided what will happen to him?
Not yet. We're still deliberating on the possibilities. A decision is coming soon. I'll send it through the mail so everyone will hear it. The church and the research center are really going at it.
What do you think?
As my wife used to say, everyone deserves a chance.
They were my dear crewmates. We really made that station hum. Thanks for doing this for me.
Did you see this living robot yet? I heard from Sam he was actually very nice. Hello! This smells too good.